Hi, I'm Lesley Arizmendi with Equip for Equality. In this video, I'm going to discuss what to do if your guardian's acting inappropriately. One of the purposes of guardianship is to protect people with disabilities from abuse, neglect, and exploitation. If the court has appointed a guardian for you, they have a duty to protect you and promote your well-being. If your guardian is not taking appropriate action on your behalf or is harming you, you have a right to ask the court to take action against your guardian and appoint someone else to help you. I'm going to discuss the duties of a guardian and what you can do if your guardian is violating those duties. What does it mean to have a guardian? A judge appointed a guardian for you because he or she decided that you need assistance with managing your personal care, financial matters, or both. Your guardian has the legal authority to make those decisions for you. There are two types of guardians: a guardian of the person and a guardian of the estate. A guardian of the person makes decisions about where you live, your medical care and treatment, and other personal and medical decisions for you. A guardian of the estate manages your money and property and makes decisions like whether you can afford certain services or living arrangements. The judge may have appointed only a guardian of the person, only a guardian of the estate, or both. Your guardian may be a person or an organization that is qualified to assist you. The same person or organization may be the guardian of both your person and estate, or you may have one guardian for your person and a different guardian for your estate. The only way to become a legal guardian of a person with a disability or older adult is to be appointed by the probate court. Sometimes individuals use the term guardian incorrectly, calling themselves a guardian because they have taken care of you for a long time or because your family members ask that they take care of you. If the court has not entered an order making that person your legal guardian, the person does not have a right to act for you or make decisions on your behalf. If you are unsure whether the person claiming to be your guardian was appointed by the court, you can contact the court in the county where you live or contact Equip for Equality for assistance. The guardian of the person and the guardian of the estate each have specific duties. A guardian of the person has a duty to arrange for your support and care, to allow you to be as independent as possible, to provide the judge with an annual written report about how you are doing, where you are living, and what she's doing to help you. The guardian must also obtain court approval for certain important actions, like moving you from your home to a more restrictive placement, such as a residential facility. The guardian of your person must make decisions for you by considering your wishes and preferences. If you do not or cannot tell the guardian what your preferences and wishes are, and the guardian does not already know what they were previously, the guardian should make decisions that are in your best interest. A guardian of the estate has a duty to carefully manage, invest, and take care of your estate and to apply funds needed for your comfort, support, and education. The guardian of the estate must also obtain court approval of the expenditures made and actions taken to make sure they are in your best interest or are in keeping with your preferences and wishes. The court order appointing a guardian of your person or a guardian of your estate may have prohibited the guardian from taking certain actions or allowed the guardian to do certain things. You should have received a copy of the court's order and you should review it carefully so that you know what your guardian can and cannot do. If your guardian is harming you, failing to meet your needs, using your funds inappropriately, or otherwise violating her duties as your guardian, you have the right to stop your guardian's improper actions. Before appointing a guardian for you, the judge should have asked the guardian ad litem to meet with you, explain your rights to you, and ask you about whether you approved of the guardian being appointed. If you contact the guardian ad litem, she should help you by informing the judge of the guardian's improper behavior and by filing the necessary paperwork for removing the guardian on your behalf. You may always call or write to the judge to report your guardian's improper actions and ask the judge to remove your guardian. You may already have the judge's contact information in your court documents, or you can call the courthouse for help. If you report your guardian's behavior to the judge will likely ask the guardian ad litem to talk with you and report back to the judge. The guardian ad litem, your own attorney, or an attorney appointed by the judge should start proceedings to have your guardian removed. Your guardian will be required to appear in court and respond to the information you have shared. Until the proceedings are over, the court should stop your guardian from making decisions on your behalf and appoint another person or organization to temporarily take on the duties of the guardian. If the judge finds that the guardian has acted improperly, the judge should order that he or she can no longer act as your guardian. If you still need help making personal or financial decisions, the court will appoint another person or organization as your guardian. If your former guardian improperly used your funds or assets, your new guardian or any other person can initiate proceedings to recover those funds or assets. If your guardian is abusing, neglecting, or exploiting you, you may have a right to receive an order of protection to guard against further harm. You should file the order of protection forms in probate court using the same case number as your guardianship matter. Your guardian ad litem or attorney should help you with this process. The judge should immediately suspend the powers and duties of your guardian and appoint another person or organization as your temporary guardian while the order of protection action and any other actions against your guardians are pending. For more information, visit equipforequality.org.